Sige na, sit down muna. Sit down properly muna. I will cut this first and then you will stick it on the paper.
It's that.
Wait lang. Mommy will cut. Wait lang ha. You wait for mommy. I will just cut this first. Sure. Sure, wait lang. Wait. Sure, wait. What are you doing? To mommy. Stick there. Stick it there. Properly ha, on the side. Properly on the side. Remove it for a while. Not like that. Another one. Wait lang ha, sure. Don't put so much glue on the paper. You make it broken. I'm gonna make it broken. Put it here, huh? Color it first and then stick it there.
Mom.
Oh, well, I will help you. Okay. Open it first.
It's that.
You will color that later without excess, okay? Stick it here. Yeah.
Oh, it's too high.
It's too
When you make it for high, I make it for.
make it full.
The ice cream is broken. Let me make it broken.
Make it broken.
The wash cars.
You done?
Mommy, look.
I'm gonna put this on top now. Okay? I'm gonna put this on top. This mom is so slow.
Yes.
Sorry.
Spoon. That's that. Go, where's that?
Hmm?
Well, go, where's that?
Put glue on it and put this on top. Yeah, get it now. Here. No.
That's that.
Put that on top of the.
That's that. That's that.
That's prop. It's like a cloud. Put glue on that. Put that on top of the ice cream. On top of the ice cream, anak. The ice cream. On top of the ice cream. Where's the ice cream? Put
Yeah.
on top. Oh, put it on top. Mahal. Asher. Let's fix it now.
Oh, this is a kind.
Really, another one here. For mommy, ah. Slowly lang. Wait na. This on top of. Wow, very good. Put this on top also.
Shake.
Okay? Stand up. Stand up. 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 Cherry. Up the cherry. Up.
Down. It's that a box.
Stick it on the side of the. On the side here. Not like that, anak. Not like that.
Cheetos.
No excess. Color everything. Color pink. No excess on the line. No excess on the line.
This is in line. Like this.
No excess on the line.
Up.
No, you hold it properly, anak. No excess, ha? No excess.
This is the chocolate.
Mm.
Colors.
A little only. Put it back. Put it back. That's so many. No excess, ha? This one also. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, what's this thing?
What's your work? Don't look at anywhere.
It's better.
Ano, kalabasan mo ito.
It's better.
Sure, ay, sure, it exists. I said no excess. More blue. No excess, ha? No excess. Careful. Do it carefully. Research mo kung anong color combination yung violet. Blue-red ba yun?
Red and blue.
Yeah.
It's blue.
No excess, anak. Ano ba ginagawa mo na yan? No excess.
Red or blue or magenta inside.
I will help you.
Thank you.
Shit. Wait lang. Mommy will do it. Sige, color yellow. This one yellow, ha? No excess. Remember, no excess.
Yes, remember.
The top only. This one, the top. No excess. Slowly. Do it slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, no excess, anak, ha? The top here. Yellow. Color yellow. No, that's not part of the yellow. That's color red later. This one, the top lang on, the top lang, the top. Later. You will color that red later. Only this. No excess, ha? Excess ka na naman. Wait lang. I will give you the color. Mommy will do it. Go back, go back, go back. Sit properly. Sit properly lang. Asher, sit properly. Sit properly. Cherry. No excess, ha? No excess. Not no excess. Watch properly. No excess. Very good. Very good. It's done. It's done now. Enough na, enough na, enough na. Mommy will do it. Just put it there.
It's the spoon.
Eh, don't remove the spoon. Ano ka ba? This one orange siya, not the spoon. Don't color the spoon. Yeah, very good. No excess, ano ka?
The spoons for the black.
Watch properly. Don't talk when you're doing something. Focus on your work. No excess, ha? Slowly, slowly. Watch properly. No excess. Look at the other part. Just a little. No excess, ha? Watch your work. Don't look at me.
I don't think the spoons for the black.
I'll give you the block later. Don't color the spoon, ha? No excess. Sure. Dito naman. Come on. Do it na. No excess. The spoon. Don't color the spoon. Don't color the spoon. Mommy will wash it.
Thank you.
Okay. For this one, you will color this yellow. This one, ha? Yellow. Okay?
Yes, mommy.
Yellow green. There. This one. No excess, anak. Wash your hands, ha? You might move there, move. Move. And sit properly. There. No, this one.
Blue. Yellow.
Hmm.
You can do it.
You can do it. No excess, anak, ha? No excess. Oh. Minutes. Properly, anak. Tutulo. Don't get too much. Just a little. Don't get so many.
Oh, what's that?
Ube, purple. Violet. Just a little. Don't get too many. Tutulo yan eh.
Welcome.
No excess, anak. No excess. What? You do it properly. No excess. Don't color the clouds, ha?
Go to the cess.
Colors. That's enough. Don't get another one. Just finish the white there. There's more white here, oh. Don't get another color. Kulit. Oh, that's enough. Enough. It's too many. You're not listening to me. Nakakainis ka. This one, very yellow. Make it fast now.
A giant. That's that.
Color yellow. No excess, ano ka? Color the other white. Look at your white. This part, oh, there's more white. No excess. This one orange. No excess, anak. Focus on your work. Get more color. Look at your work. You need help. Do it fast, anak. Do it fast. We need to finish right away. Okay, then give it to me. We will get the other color naman. Color it pink. The top, the clouds. You color it pink, the clouds. No excess, ha? No excess.
Pink.
This one. You look at your work. Don't look at mommy. Okay, no excess. Very good. You're done. Let me see. Let me see. See your work. Mommy will take picture. Then you will do another one. Wow. I will take picture. Wow. Take picture. Hold it. Wow. That's so good. No. Show it to mommy like this. Oh, hold it like that. Hold it. Asher, hold it. Hold it like that. I will take picture muna. Mommy will take picture.
Big spoon. It's spoon.
It's okay. Don't need to color the spoon. It's okay.
But the one more.
Mm-mm.
Different other.
Mm-mm.
Ooh, none.